Good evening, everyone. My name is Vinay. These are my teammates Kaushik, Vishrut, and Umar. Today's topic is LED light indicator with buzzer. Introduction. The LED light indicator with buzzer is a small electronic system used to give visual and sound alerts when a circuit detects a specific conditions, such as electric stress and obstacle, or a signal from a sensor. It turns on a LED for visual indication and active a buzzer for a audible warning. This project helps understand how basic components like LEDs, buzzer, sensor, and microcontrollers work together to create a simple alert system. It is a low cost, easy to build, and used in many applications like safety alarms, distance indicators, and notification systems. Thank you. Next is coming by Umar.
Myself Umar Farooq, and this is my topic circuit diagram. In this Arduino Uno, the Arduino Uno is a main controller. It receives the distance from the HCSR4 sensor and then turns on LEDs or buzzers. The buzzer depending on how close an object is. And second one is HCSR0 for ultrasonic sensor. This sensor measures the distance of an object using the sound wave. In this, like VCC is Arduino 5 volt and GND is Arduino GND, and trigger pin Arduino digital pin, and echo pin is also Arduino digital pin. The Arduino sends the pulse to trigger and the sensor send back the distance info through echo. And several LEDs are placed on white breadboard, each with a resistor to protect it, and these LEDs glow according to distance. For distance, only first LED on. If the distance is medium, more LEDs on, and if the distance is very close, all LEDs will on and the buzzer will going to on. And the green wires from LEDs goes to Arduino digital pins. And fourth one, like buzzer for close warning. The buzzer turns on when the object comes very close. One pin in this one pin is Arduino digital pin and other pin is GND. Arduino sends the high signal to activate the beef and the breadboard connection. The breadboard distributes the power. Red line is 5 volt and the ground blue line is GND. All LEDs, buzzers, and sensors share the same ground. And thank you. Next is continued by Vishruth.
The LED distance indicator, the instruments contains Arduino Uno, breadboard, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, LED lights, and resistors, and some wires. So in that Arduino Uno, where we have inserted ultrasonic sensor to a breadboard. In ultrasonic sensors, and the trig point where is connected to the 11, and the echo wire is connected to the 12. So from the trig point, the wire is connected to the 11 and another one is connected to the 12. So echo is connected to the 12. In GND, the GND is connected to the negative, and VCC is connected to the positive. So here the buzzer which contains the positive, positive, the wire is positive. Through the positive we have connected wire which it contains to 0.7, which is contained to 0.7, and the LED lights is connected to a resistors, and the wires, these wires are connected to in these wires are connected in a series, like 2 3 4 2 minus 3 4 5 minus 5 minus 6 in series. So this is, and from the positive wire, the positive connection and the negative connection, the positive connection wire connects to the 5 volts, connects to the 5 volts. Here it is connected to the 5 volts, and another one is connected to the ground, negative. So positive end is connected to the 5 volts and negative end is connected to the ground. This is our LED distance indicator instruments with connected.
This is Kaushik, and today I am giving the brief details of the components we have used in this project. And first comes to Arduino UNO. This is a microcontroller board used to control the entire circuit. It is used in it reads the distance from the ultrasonic sensor. It processes the data, controls LEDs and buzzer based on distance. And these key features are: it have 14 digital pins, 6 analog pins, and operates on 5 volts. Easy to program with Arduino IDE. And we have used the sensor named HCSR04 ultrasonic distance sensor. It is used for as a sensor that measures distance using ultrasonic waves, and it is used to detect how far or close an object is. And pins and functions are VCC for 5V power, GND ground, trigger sense sound pulse, echo receives the reflected pulse and calculate the distance. And its range is 2 centimeters to 400 centimeters. And we have used LED lights. They are the small light indicators that glows when current passes through them. They are used to visually show distance levels such as far, medium, close. And the types used are red, green, or yellow LEDs. And the requirements are: each LED needs a 220 ohms or 330 ohms resistor to prevent burning. And we have used the resistors in this project. They are the components that limit current in the circuit, and they are used to protect LEDs from high current. And the resistor values are 220 ohms and 330 ohms. And we have used the active buzzer. It is a small round producing device that makes a beep when powered. It is used to give a sound alert when the object is very close. And its working are: Arduino outputs high, buzzer beeps. Arduino outputs are low, the buzzer stops. And the uh, final component is breadboard. It is a plastic board with internal metal strips used to circuit building, and it is used in it is used to solve the problems like no soldering required, easy to connect and remove components, power lines for 5 watts and GND. And these are the components we have used in this project. And thank you.